And just like that, we're back again with yet again another update on Vechain. Shout out to the Vechain family. You guys are amazing. Made an update yesterday, after a very long time. It's been a few months since we last spoke about Vechain, and the support was amazing. So shout out to you guys. Continue supporting, and your boy CryptoZX will keep you guys covered with these Vechain updates. So looking across the board, another day, more green across the market. So far so good. This week has started off on such a positive note. Altcoins specifically, gaining traction once again, and that is thanks to the dominance pulling down. Vechain up 4.2% with the price currently sitting at 2.6 cents if we were to round it up. Also up 4.1% in Bitcoin compared. Now, if you're looking at the market cap, $2.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 60 million. So, of course, in terms of the 24-hour trading volume, it is quite low, but, that's kind of being felt across the market, for multiple different digital assets, and especially in the niche of VeChain. A lot of layer ones, layer twos are not gaining as much traction as we have seen in the past, but that really just shows you how important the dominance really is. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So pretty much what changed since last night is the fact that we actually have seen the dominance pull down quite a bit. I would say we're sitting at 64.65%. Currently we're sitting at 64%. Bitcoin barely has had a move. Bitcoin is pretty much still holding at the neckline of the key support line from our last all-time high back at the beginning of the year. That's where we're being supported by. So as far as BTC is concerned, it did go a little bit up, but pretty much finding itself back down to this range. But the fact that the dominance has dropped down about 0.5% is the key catalyst behind so much green across the crypto markets right now. So that's something I want you guys to understand. And once again, it gives us more confirmation why this index is so important to note. But if you're looking at VeChain right now, obviously it's having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of this key range. This is a key resistance that's coming in our way. You can see this for yourself. Let me actually take you guys down memory lane to really show you guys the importance of this range. You can see even dating it back to the 2021 levels, as well as obviously the accumulation zone during the bear market. This resistance really came in our way several different times. You've seen several rejections around this range as well. But as the market is coiling up, I do personally believe this level, especially the 3.4 cents, is pretty much the level to really be looking out for. It's really important to get back out of this zone, because that's where we kind of go out of the bear market zone. And as of now, VeChain is reacting in a positive way to the broader market. The volume isn't as high as you would like to see it, but of course, those are things that are out of our control. But I do believe if dominance continues to fall down, this would be more of a catalyst for the price of VeChain, and definitely a lot of other digital assets to start performing positively against BTC. So my target right now, especially if we break out of this key resistance, target is around 2.8 cents. And then after that, we're pretty much clear to, head towards that 3.4 cents resistance, which of course is the most important key resistance to be looking out for. So far, so good. Like what I'm seeing here, step by step, obviously not explosive moves overnight. Obviously, we need to understand that, there are some other factors that we need to consider, but so far, so good. Like what I'm seeing here, it is reacting positively to the broader market, which again is a good sign to see. If you do see a little bit of a lag, then of course, you could kind of be like, hey, you know what, this is not moving with the market, but VeChain definitely is moving with the broader market, which is something I don't want you guys to be overlooking. But let me know down below what you guys think. Where do you see the price of VeChain going? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button, and we'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.